Hello folks, my name is Dave. I'm here to demonstrate the strength of the Puzzle Lock knife. We're going to test these knives to their fullest potential. I do not even know when these will break. This is the one I'll be testing. It used to be my everyday carry, but as you can see it's really screwed up. It was one of the first prototypes that I made. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to test it the right way. Many knife manufacturers, when they test a knife, they will actually put this part in a vise and pull down on it. On a back lock like this knife, knives are very strong, but that's not the right way to test the knife. If you want to test the knife, the strength of the locking mechanism, you actually turn it this way, because this is how we cut. We don't cut like this, we cut like this. So when we test this knife, it's going to be held up in this position, and I'm going to hold all of my weight on it. I weigh 240 pounds. There's a scale, and I'm going to step on it as soon as my daughter gives me the cue. Okay. Okay. Stand over there, sweetie. Oh, I guess, okay. So I'm gonna step on the scale. Oh my, I've gained some weight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the knife, and I'm gonna hang on it. So 253 pounds, and then I'm gonna put the leading knife. We're gonna put it up there, and I'm gonna test that one, and then you're gonna watch how that one breaks. So here we go. I've never done this before. 255 pounds. I'm gonna hang on my knife. That's the device we're gonna use. And I got a clamp here. We're gonna clamp it up and go for it. There we go. Let me move the ladder. Are we filming, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Make sure you get my feet in there. Well, that was pretty close. Let me try it again. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna jump up this. I don't want to fall. Here we go. Okay. It held my weight. I'm gonna take the knife down now. We are going to inspect it. If you noticed, I actually bounced on it a couple times. I wanted to convince you that there was no gimmicks. It's never been touched. It's never been touched. There's no separation from the scale to the handle. So 255 pounds, it held up. The next video I'm going to do, I'm going to actually pick up my Harley Davidson with it. So hold on for a sec, and we'll be right back. Thank you.